Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here from Holiday Motors. We are today at Portsmouth City Park, a beautiful park right here on the river at the boat ramp, so I can get you a nice video of this beautiful car. Gorgeous car in excellent condition. This is a 2LT. It's a little later in the day, so I don't know if that sunset's changing the color in the video here, but this is gorgeous yellow, of course, if you're familiar with it. Great set of chrome wheels on it, in perfect shape. I think we've got one nick on the rear wheel on the other side, and I'll get around there and show that to you. But the tires are all from 2021, so they're 4 years old, and they have excellent tread on them. I think they're about 8 and 9/32. So if that, having a hard time focusing on that, but 9/32 on the rear there. I think the front was 8/32 when I measured it earlier. It does show a damage report from 2021. It shows to bumper, fender, and wheel. And it's very hard to tell, but if you look close enough, you can see slight evidence of repaint on the front bumper, this fender, and the hood, but I can't even see it out here in the sun under the lights in the garage. There, it's hard to see, but there are a couple places, but as you can see, the lines are all absolutely perfect. Very little road rash on the front. You can see this one little nick, and then very hard to see, and then this little chip at the bottom. Of course, glass top. And here's the one spot on that rear rim. Let's see if we can get you another measurement here. Yeah, so a good 8/32 on the front. So the tires are great. I've had the opportunity to drive the car quite a bit, and it runs and drives perfect. A lot of fun. Got one nick here, we're waiting on some touch-up paint. And it has the Kooks long tube headers, high flow catalytic converters, and then it does have the factory exhaust, the dual mode exhaust. So I have it open right now. It's not loud at all. Has a wonderful tone to it. But of course you can select it to touring, and it quiets it down, and then you put it back at sport or track, and it'll open it back up. But of course 2LT, steering wheel stereo controls, cruise control, of course, Bluetooth, heads-up display, if you can see that up there, touch screen with navigation, dual climate, heated and cooled seats. Just 29,800 miles on it right now as it sits. I do have both key fobs to it, the original owner's manual. The factory manifolds and catalytic converters are also included. One little chip here that's been touched up. Front license plate bracket here. There was just a touch, but hardly anywhere at all, anywhere on this car. It was obviously garage kept. And there's no trash or corrosion of any sorts underneath it here. And the headers really haven't turned a whole lot of colors either. AFE intake. Clutch feels great, nice and tight, smooth. And overall, great car. So we have it available for you from Holiday Motors here in Portsmouth, Virginia. They've been right here since 1974, online at holidaymotors.com. And you can call or text me directly, 757-676-4444. Appreciate you watching as always, and look forward to hearing from you. And don't let me forget before I sign off, we can also help arrange for shipping and delivery, top dollar for your trades, and we do have financing available if needed. So we can help you out. We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up everybody? So as Tony was bringing the car down off the lift, I realized I wanted to get some pictures underneath of it, and then forgot my phone. So left him up here for a moment. What are you doing, Tony? Uh-oh. So anyway, this is our 2014 Chevy Corvette Stingray with only 29,000 miles. We just got this car in. Of course, beautiful chrome wheels, the matching Velocity yellow brake calipers on it. And this has also got some Kooks long tube headers on it. It's the first time I've been underneath of it. Perfect. High flow catalytic converters, so it will pass state inspection. And then it has the factory dual mode exhaust system on it, which is opened up right now, but you can quiet it down too. Hey, rev it up. So we're getting ready to take it down and have it inspected. Just changed the oil on it, and this thing is in amazing condition. So if this is what you're looking for underneath of your Christmas tree, we've got it for you right here. Holiday Motors. Thanks for watching.